Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the Garmin Instinct Solar. And if you've watched my videos before, you know previously I had the Garmin Instinct and I really enjoyed that watch, had no complaints with it, but when they came out with the Solar, it was just too tempting for me and I decided to sell my Instinct and go with the Solar, and this is me seeing it for the first time. I purchased this item off of Amazon. If you've got the Instinct, you probably know from that experience, there's not a whole lot of bells and whistles when you unopen these Garmin Instinct boxes. The packaging is pretty minimal. They don't come with a whole lot. But nonetheless, I like doing these videos in case there's somebody out there who's thinking about buying the same item and just wants to get an idea of what does it come with. So, instruction manual. It's like a different kind of manual, maybe in a different language. The charge cord, and that's really about it. And then the watch itself. So let me get this undone. I'll give you a quick glimpse of the watch. So in all fairness, I will say this. I got rid of my Garmin Instinct and I was really tempted to get the new Casio Solar GPS watch out there. I think it's the GBDH 1000. I think it's called the Move. I'm also a big G-Shock fan. The reason I went with the Instinct Solar is I had the original Instinct, was really happy with it. More than anything, the case size was the main difference. I think the Instinct Solar is like a 44, 45 millimeter case, and that new Casio watch is a 63 by 55 millimeter case, which I just think is going to look huge on my wrist. The other thing is that the Instinct has moon phase, which the Casio does not, as well as a couple other things. And so I just stuck with the Instinct Solar because I enjoyed the Instinct so much. I'm not going to do a whole lot on this video, just wanted to show you what it looks like. So I can tell you from having the original Instinct, it's basically the exact same thing as far as look and feel. Same case size, same strap, same everything. The only difference is that the Solar is going to have obviously the solar panel, and it's going to say Solar at the bottom, whereas the non-Solar is not going to say that. But anyway, there's a quick unboxing video. Again, that's what it looks like coming off of Amazon. Should look the same no matter where you buy it from. I hope that helps. Let me know if you got any questions.